In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zendesk tickets efficiently. If you're responsible for keeping tabs on support interactions, generating these reports is crucial. Whether you're a manager looking to analyze performance trends or an agent needing to keep track of specific cases, I'm here to guide you through this process. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is access the Analytics section in Zendesk. You'll see an icon that resembles a bar chart or graph, so go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the Queries section. Armed with this tool, you'll be on your way to crafting tailored reports that meet your specific needs. After you've opened Queries, the next step is to create a new query. To get started, select the Support Tickets dataset. This dataset will form the basis of your report, focusing specifically on the tickets you want to download. With this setup, you're able to pinpoint exactly what you need without sifting through irrelevant data. Now that you've selected the appropriate dataset, it's time to choose which metrics and attributes you want to include in your report. Think about what's most important for your analysis. Common choices include Ticket ID, which helps you track individual cases, the subject line for quick reference to the content of the ticket, and the assignee, which indicates who's been handling that particular ticket. Don't forget to add the created date. This will be vital for trend analysis over time. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to export your query. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the export option. Click on it and you'll be presented with a choice: exporting your data as either a CSV or Excel file. Select whichever format suits your workflow best. Both options are excellent for further manipulation and analysis in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This method is a fantastic resource for both managers who need to create regular reports and for agents focused on staying informed about specific tickets. By downloading ticket information directly from Zendesk, you ensure that you're working with the most up-to-date data available, allowing for informed decision-making and efficient monitoring of support interactions. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to download Zendesk tickets. Remember, having access to this kind of detailed information can be an invaluable asset, offering insights that help streamline processes, improve customer satisfaction, and elevate team performance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting.